V-spins can happen with straight legs, or you can do attitudes. There are some options. And so they're important. They're a transition. They're a way you can roll from one side to the other, and they can build up into other power moves. They can go into freezes. They're just a step you gotta know. When you're executing them, more often than not, you again want everything lengthened, even if your joints are bent. You want to be lengthening so you can transition easier instead of just flopping over to the other side. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about shoulder rolls. I will see you then.